ki khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra ashapi taka net foodish ordar mapi nginwan ra mangi hakher dob ying jongpi
Katanat prisons hadu menta kadang ya ap khmi lenti baka Sorkar Jilla kan Aiti no ya Jaka ka bahe hadu arpusan akar haniu Shillong township nakabenta banshna ya central jail. Haga jinya keren mat kilat pathai kubaru Inspector General Katanat Prison uba MH Karkarang uliat hu uba katanat kala kentu ya katanat PWD buildings ban penkre ya ka master plan nakabenta banshna ya central jail anda ka Sorkar kala Aiti ya Jaka. Ula ongru baka jingtmu banshna ya central jail kan kam shimpor katto kat nisnem namar baka shong hakarai jong ka Sorkar Jilla lanu kan Aiti ya Jaka.
Everything has been done. The only thing is now we are just waiting for the land to be handed over to us. Once they hand over to us the land, then we ask the PWD to make the master plan. Once the master plan is made, then things will start. 25 acres. The 164.
And what is the present?
I think so. What the 350? What is the capacity? What's the population now?
464, sir.
464. Very high.
And it is actually it's 100.
448 females
Yeah.
and 448 males, 16 females.
And what's the official capacity?
175.
175. Long term, we are looking at the completion of Nongstoin prison and also setting up the central jail. I mean, there's apart from that, I don't see any other way out. Okay. I mean, to really decongest the jail, these are the only two options.
So what is the prison status we can say about Nongstoin jail?
I can say 60% completed. 60 completed. But a lot of things still need to be done. We do have space for coaching of volleyball. We do have a space for coaching of badminton, though not football. But other places where there, like say Tura prisons and Jua prisons, we have ample space. So the space that you're looking at is Shillong district prisons only. And yes, I do agree with you, there's a positive space here. So that's why we are looking at games where we can accommodate.